Want to know how to personalize your money manager application? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So you can also change your money manager's theme and make it more personalized in just under a few clicks or few buttons. So let's get straight to it, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So on the bottom right side, you should be seeing this more icon right here with the three dot. The symbol is like that. So you should be under here. Now here you should be seeing configuration on the top left side. The symbol is like that. And now scroll all the way down, and here you should be seeing style right here. And now once you have selected style, here you should be seeing the modes that you can choose from: your dark mode, system mode, and night mode, as you can see. So you can also personalize further by this simply adding colors, which will change your UI just like this right here, and that's it. If it doesn't change still, you can just simply restart your application once and you should be good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.